Need to copy a calculation result into a document, spreadsheet, email, or another app? Windows Calculator makes it easy to copy your results with just a few clicks or keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to copy calculator results in Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Perform any calculation to generate a result that you want to copy. Once your calculation is complete, locate the displayed result at the top of the calculator window. This is the value you'll copy to the clipboard. There are several ways to copy the result. Click the Copy button if it's available. Right-click the result and choose Copy, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard after selecting the result. Yeah, the value is now stored in your clipboard. Open any application such as Microsoft Word, Excel, Notepad, or your web browser, then press Ctrl+V to paste the copied result wherever you need it. If you're performing several calculations, open the History panel to review previous results. You can copy individual results from your calculation history without repeating the calculations. Copying results is useful when preparing reports, updating spreadsheets, completing homework, sending emails, or entering values into other software. It saves time and helps reduce typing errors, and that's how to copy calculator results in Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're working with documents, spreadsheets, or other applications, copying results directly from Calculator helps you work faster and more accurately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.